Hello tech lovers, today's video is on RG109 MAX RC Drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drones. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. In terms of technology, a drone is a modern aircraft. One of these is the RG109 MAX RC Drone. This drone is very small in size. As a result, it is easily portable. But this drone has some notable and impressive features. In the video, we will discuss the various features and essential aspects of this drone. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. Design. The folded size is 14.5 by 9 by 8 centimeters, and the unfolded size is 25 by 26.5 by 8 centimeters, including fan blades, which are very easy to fold and have an attractive design. It is very easy to carry due to its lightweight. It looks more attractive due to its front light and overall beautiful design. It is also very easy to carry while traveling outdoors. It is able to integrate appearance and functionality along certain boundaries. That's why it looks clean and strong. The drone has a high-definition camera, but they claim it is a 4K pixel camera. It also has a 90-degree control camera that gives freedom to switch the viewing angles. But they present it as better because other functions of the camera are good. Attractive highlights here mean nice soothing visuals and clear and crispy views. It also has a front and rear camera that allows an operator to easily change the aerial photography angle to experience shocking aerial photography effects. This allows for a wide variety of angles to be grasped and provides a wide-range. Modular batteries are a simple process of installing batteries inside the drone. When the installation process becomes easier, it affects the drone's flying process, which makes the drone operation easier. With a 7.4 volts, 3000 mAh module design, it lasts for about 25 minutes, making the drone's flying experience highly enjoyable. Now it is time to discuss various functions of RG109 MAX RC Drone. You can now beautify any type of image very easily. So now you don't have to worry about beautifying pictures. You can take pictures and beautify them in a powerful way. Optical flow localization keeps hovering. Crystal-like images, smooth videos, and smart hovering are required to maintain the stability of the drone. Using this smart hovering helps a drone stay in a stable mood and capture smooth video. This feature also helps the drone fly smoothly. The drone has this smart hover feature that can always keep the drone stable when flying indoors or outdoors and provides an anti-shake shooting experience. The drone has an image transmission feature that allows you to see what the drone is seeing in the distance. Now, this is how you can keep track of drones. If there is anything harmful around the drone, then you can catch it very easily. 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance. In fact, the additional security measures of drones satisfy the customer. This is why a drone's three-way obstacle avoidance system is timely. If you think your drone is flying, then it is likely to crash if it hits a wall or something. If you have an obstacle avoidance feature, the drone will automatically protect itself in this case. The possibility of crashing will be reduced due to this. There is also an infrared sensor that will ensure the 100% safety of your drone. Overall, your control process will go very smoothly. Flying around custom waypoints. With the help of the map, you 360-degree surround shooting. 360-degree stun trolls are used to watch video clips, making them more awesome. This drone is essential to make the clips more interesting. Return of GPS Intelligent Positioning Multifunction. The drone has a GPS facility. You can manage your movements better without GPS if you want. The drone realizes one key return. Optical flow makes dual-mode drone flight interesting. Can easily fly the drone to your desired location. The drone can be flown anywhere by clicking the button. Now, it's time to talk about some pros and cons. Pros: excellent quality camera. Lightweight and easily portable. Lots of quality features for less money. Capillaries with exceptional 5G high-definition image transmission. Cons: needs modifications to the Wi-Fi connection system. I need variations of the drone's colors. If you like the video and find it helpful, You can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.